Okay, welcome guys, welcome dear traders. Today we are going to do our weekly market breakdown as usual, so that you are going to analyze what has been happening in this last week and we predict what might happen in this coming week. As we are seeing, the market have been difficult in the last 2 weeks. The market is unpredictable. Things are very tough because the market is somehow quiet. So let us start with the Euro USD without further delaying or without talking much. Let's start with the Euro USD and analyze what's happening. Okay, as you can see, Euro USD start with 3-month time frame. This is 3-month upper zone. This is 3-month lower zone. Okay, this is 3-month lower zone. As you can see, in the 3-month time frame, Euro USD is in a range or a consolidation zone. As you can see, we are seeing consolidation or range. Okay, so if we are in a range or in a consolidation, so that we can expect that the price is moving from here, so we can expect that the price will come to reach to this monthly 3-month upper zone in order to complete this move. So in one way or another, we are in an uptrend and in an uptrend leg. Okay, as you can see in the monthly time frame, as you can see, this is a monthly midway zone. Okay, this is monthly midway zone. Okay, this monthly midway zone, as you can see, have been in an uptrend still. As you can see, initially have been in a range or a consolidation, but buyers managed to break the structure to create this high, so that, as you can see, we expect the price to come to retest this monthly zone, so before it keep moving in an uptrend. So let's go in a weekly time frame to see what's happening. Okay, cool. As you can see, we can even do like this. Okay, and this can become a weekly. Okay, this can even become a weekly zone, lower zone, weekly zone, and this can become weekly upper zone, like this. Okay, and so as you can see, we have been in an uptrend initially because we have been seeing higher high, higher low, higher high, okay, higher low, consolidation. Okay, and if we are on support of consolidation, we expect the market to keep moving in an upward. Okay, again, if you can see clearly, we have been in a range or a consolidation. Okay, like this. Okay, so we can expect, if a price is here, to return back here on this weekly upper zone. So let's consult a daily time frame to see what we are talking about. Okay, this is a daily midway zone. Okay, this is a daily midway zone. Okay, this is a daily lower zone. Okay, this is a daily lower zone, and this is also daily upper zone. Okay, this is daily upper zone, and so as you can see, the price have been here on this weekly support to form a double bottom, so that you can expect a reversal, so that the price can reverse in order to retest back here on this monthly upper zone. Let's go in a H4 time frame to see what is happening in this structure. Okay, as you can see here, Okay, this is H4 midway zone. We have been seeing a downward trend initially, but if you look closely, we are seeing what we call reversal. Okay, this is a reversal because here we have been seeing break of structure to higher high, lower high, lower low, equal high, lower low, lower high, formation of double bottom, break of structure, retest. We can expect that the price is going to reverse completely because we have already seen the break of structure. Okay, the break of structure clearly, as you can see, this is a reversal sign, double bottom, break of structure, the test of on this neckline, so we can expect that the price is going to keep moving directly in uptrend. So we can expect that the price on Monday or tomorrow after opening, you can see this, we can see the bullish momentum. If we keep seeing the bullish momentum here, we can expect that the price of the market is going to reverse in upward, so that we can automatically enter like this without hesitation. And even you can see that here there is still liquidity on this level. There is liquidity because if you can see, they are happening the break of structure, but the price could have returned back here to retest and then it crashed down, but instead the price didn't retest here, so there is a likelihood that the price will return back to retest this fleshy and untested zone. Okay, I think this is clear. And something might also happen because we are in a weekend. There is some traders who might have entered here. Here there is liquidity below this support, so that the market on Monday may open by returning back here to sweep liquidity below this support, and then return back here again, and then return in our original direction of uptrend after sweeping the liquidity. So on Monday, we'll wait. If we see the bullish momentum, we can automatically enter, but use wide stop loss. And once the liquidity also swept, we will also enter without hesitation. So we have to be patient, and we will wait and see what will happen. And also we can even wait on a Monday if the market open with the bullish momentum, because you see this is like a hammer or a pin bar in one way or another. Okay, it's likely that the market will open with a bullish candlestick, and so the bullish momentum will be dominating here, so we'll automatically enter with thinking with the market. As you can see here, there is a hammer, which is a reversal candlestick. Okay, let's go to the next pair. To see what's going on. Okay, the next pair is called CAD GPY. Let's go in 3-month time frame to see what's going on. As you can see here, this is 3-month zone. Okay, this is 3-month upper zone. This is 3-month lower zone, and also this is a 3-month zone. Okay, as you can see, the price is in an uptrend where we are seeing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then we expect that the price is going to keep moving in this kind of manner, in formation of higher high, higher low. Okay, let's go in because if you can see, there is a likelihood that the price will come to retest here to complete another higher high. Okay, let's go in the month time frame to see what's going on. Okay, as you can see, we have been in an uptrend. As I was saying that we are in an uptrend, as you can see. okay, where we have been seeing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We expect that the price is going to complete this higher high. So let's go in a weekly time frame to see what's happening. Okay, this is weekly zone. Okay, this is a weekly zone, and also this is another weekly zone. If you can see clearly, we have been in an uptrend, complete uptrend, where we are seeing higher high and the higher lows. Let me put another level here so that it's gonna be clearer. Okay, as you can see, we have been seeing, as we can see, we have been seeing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Here there is another higher high, higher low. We expect that the price is going to keep moving in upward trend to form another higher high. Let's go in the daily time frame to see what is going on. Okay, as you can see, we have been in a range or consolidation initially. Okay, initially we have been seeing a range like this, but the buyers managed to break the structure to create the higher high, higher low. Expect that the price is going to keep moving in an uptrend. Okay, because you have been seeing the clear structure of higher high and higher lows. And as you can see here, there is another level. This is daily higher high. Okay, and let's go in the H4 time frame to see how we can capitalize on this kind of move. Okay, as you can see, this is what I was saying. This is what I have been saying. As you can see, we have been in a clear uptrend. Okay, we have been seeing higher high and higher lows. Initially, you have been seeing a consolidation on a daily support, break of structure. Okay, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, break of daily support again. Okay, daily resistance to become support. Okay, and then the price pulled back here in order to retest. We expect that the price is going to keep moving in an uptrend. Okay, as you can see, some trader who are a risk taker who managed to enter here, okay, who managed to take this trade here and then target the enter like this, you see that is initially in money. So how can we capitalize on this move? As you can see here, we have been seeing another daily another H4 zone. Okay, this is H4 zone, which is quite strong. As you can see, this is quite strong. As you can see, we have been in a range or initially in a consolidation, but the sellers managed to break down here in order to retest. So you can expect that after the price break of this structure again to complete the higher high, we can expect to enter here on this structure and then capitalize on this move. I'm sorry, on this move like this, because this intro here is somehow risky. What does it mean? Because the price might return back here in order to sweep this this entry, but the trader also would have managed this trade by moving stop loss to break even if he was not sure if the price will keep moving in uptrend. And so this was what I'm saying. This entry is very risky because price might retrace back to downy trend. And so what we are going to do, we as a traders, we have to trade with the trend because the higher time frame is bullish. So we are going to wait for this break of structure and then the test, and then we enter on this move. So we are going to patiently wait, and then we automatically enter on this move here if the price keeps moving in uptrend like this. Okay, this is the CAD GPY and this is Euro USD. Okay, this is Euro USD. Okay, let's try to see the USD chef. Okay, let's start with 3-month time frame. Okay, 3-month time frame on USD chef is not clear, but we have to simplify the complex into simplest. Okay, as you can see, we are in a downward trend initially here because we have been seeing the consolidation, okay, and then the sellers managed to break the structure of consolidation to downward. Okay, you see that this is a lower zone where the price used to reach in the past time. Okay, so let's go in a monthly time frame to see what is happening. Okay, as you can see, still we are in a downward trend where we are seeing a lower low and the lower high. Okay, cool. As you can see, initially still you have been in a downward trend, but we are in a consolidation. Okay, break of a consolidation, and so we expect that the price is going to return back here in order to retest before returning downward. Okay, in order to keep moving downward, we are waiting this retest. Okay, let's go in a weekly time frame to see what is happening. Okay, if you can see clearly, okay, if you can see clearly, okay, this is a weekly time frame. Initially you have been in a very beautiful downward trend, okay. How? Let me explain this. Okay, this is a range or a consolidation have been seen in a monthly time frame. Okay, this is a break of structure to create a lower low. This is a lower high. This is a break of structure. This is a consolidation or a range. This is a break of a range or break of structure to downwards. Okay, to create a lower low. Then if it tests a lower high, we can expect that the price is going to keep moving in a downward. Okay, let's console a daily time frame to see what you are talking about. Okay, look. That's what you have been saying. We have been saying that it's been in a range or a consolidation like this, but the sellers managed to break to create a lower low, and then this is another lower high. We expect that the price is going to keep moving in a down trend. So what can we do? If you can see clearly, this is a daily midway. This is a daily midway zone. This is a daily zone. Okay, this is a daily what? A daily zone. Let's console. If you can see clear, we have been somehow in a daily time frame. We are in an uptrend, but clearly we are in a downtrend. It's been like a pullback because I've been seeing a consolidation like this, break of structure, then the test, okay, then the test of weekly time frame, we can expect that the price is going to crash back down here. So let's console H4 time frame to see how we are going to capitalize on this move. Okay, let's go in a H4 time frame to see if what we are saying you are right. Okay, so this is our H4 midway zone. This is H4 midway zone where we have been seeing we are in an uptrend, but clearly initially we have been in a consolidation. Okay, break of structure. Okay, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, equal high. Okay, we can expect that the price is going to reverse, break of structure, retest, and then we enter for sale. So what does this mean? Okay, this means that we are seeing a reversal sign. This is a double top. This is a double top. Okay, we are expecting that the price is going to break this double top, break of structure, retest on this neckline, and then we enter for sale. Okay, this is the expected, this is my prediction in this coming week. So after seeing this break of structure and the test on this neckline, we automatically enter here for sale like this, and then we target risk to reward of 3. Our target is always risk to reward of 3. We can minimize like this, and then we target risk to reward of 3. Let's go to the next pair of USD Let's see what's happening. As you can see, let's start with 3-month time frame. Okay, in 3-month time frame, we are having okay, look, you see that we are in a clear uptrend. Look, we have been seeing higher high and higher low, break of structure, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. We expect that the price is going to keep moving in this manner. Okay, let's go in let's put here another level so that things can be clearer. Okay, you see that things now are very clear where we are in an uptrend. Let's console a monthly time frame to see what is happening. You see, it's a very beautiful uptrend where we are saying high black hole, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, equal high, equal low, equal high, equal low. We expect that the price will complete this move here. So let's go in a weekly time frame to see what's going on. Can you see what's going on here in a weekly time frame? Okay, as you can see, we have been seeing a very beautiful uptrend where we have been seeing higher high and higher low. Look, we are seeing break of structure to create higher high, higher low. Expect that the price will keep moving in this manner. Okay, let's go in daily time frame to see how we can capitalize on this move. Okay, as we can see also, okay, Cool. As you can see, initially you have been seeing a reversal pattern where you have seen double bottom, break of structure, retest on the neckline. We can expect that the price is going to keep moving in uptrend in order to retest on this zone. Okay. You see, in order to retest this zone, so let's go in a H4 time frame to see if we can capitalize on this move. Okay, so how are we going to capitalize on this move? Initially, that's what I was saying. You see that I've been saying this structure. Okay, I have been seeing consolidation initially, break of structure, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, break of structure. Okay, then retest to create another higher low, and then intra, and then go for a buy. We can expect that the price is reaching here and then reversing. You see, this zone here is very strong. You see, this zone here is very strong, so we can wait the break of this zone and then we capitalize on this move for buy, but we are not willing to buy in this box because it's too late. Could have entered on this move, okay, here could have capitalized on this move, okay, and so you see that we are a little bit late. We are going to wait the break of this structure like this, then to create higher high we enter above this daily upper zone. So let's go in what, in another next pair of GBP USD and see what's happening 3-month time frame. Okay, cool. This 3-month time frame, okay, this 3-month upper, this is 3-month lower zone. Okay, in 3-month time frame we are seeing what we call a consolidation or a range. Okay, here we are seeing break of structure, retest, break structure, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. We expect that we are going to see another lower high here. This continuation manner. Let's go in a monthly time frame to see what's going on. As you can see, okay, this is a monthly time frame. Okay, as you can see, we are initially in a range or a consolidation where we have been seeing a consolidation, but the buyers managed to break the structure to create a higher high, and then a higher low, equal high. We expect two options are possible. Let me show you two options which are possible. You see, if you are seeing it clearly, you are seeing that we are in a little range or a consolidation, as you can see. Okay, initial have been in a consolidation, as I was saying, like this, break of structure, higher high, higher low, higher high, equal low. You can expect the price to keep moving in uptrend. After seeing the clear confirmations, let's go in a weekly time frame to see what has been going on. As you can see, that's what I was saying. I've been in a land or a consolidation where we are seeing higher high, higher low, higher high, equal low. You can expect that the price going like this, but Remember, we are in an uptrend. Overall we are in an uptrend. Okay, let's consult a daily time frame to see what's going on, man. Okay, as you can see, this is a daily time frame. This is a daily upper zone. Okay, this is a daily lower zone. Okay, but if you can see clearly the direction of the GBPUSD in a daily time frame, the price or the direction is not very clear. Let's console. Okay, like this. Okay, like this. As you can see, there is a reversing sign. We have been seeing a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. This is a reversal sign of double bottom, where we can expect that the price is going to break of structure and then we will enter here after seeing the clear reversals. Okay, here it's still noise. Here it's noisy in one way or another. We can expect that the price will break this structure here to create higher high, and then we will automatically capitalize on the formations of higher low, and then we enter for buy like this without the further delaying. Okay, and I think this enough for today. And we can also say that we are in a range or a consolidation in H4, where we are seeing the noise or a clear direction of this GBPUSD, and so we can expect that the price will one day break this structure, create higher high, and then capitalize on this move for buying like this. Okay, I think this is enough for today, and let's wait for the next week to see what the market will do on itself, because we cannot control anything in the market except our entry or our setup, risk management, discipline, and our psychology is only thing which we can control. Apart from that, the market is a beast which sweep anyone who go in the barrels without preparation. See you in this coming week.